Just thought I would make another video. So today I feel like I need to take out the baffles in my Honda Grom exhaust. It's the Kemimoto. So currently I'm running with the baffle in, but the cap is out. So I just want to do like a comparison with the cap out, baffle in, and a comparison without the baffle. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. So here it is with the baffle in, with the cap off. So as you can see, it has some bang to it, you know, but let's see what it sounds like without the baffle in completely. Alright, so removing the baffle, you just need to get you an Allen key, insert it here, just unscrew it. Then here's the baffle. So you can see it opens up a lot more. And what I meant by the cap was off was right here. There was like this cap right here that was preventing air from going through. So I just had the baffle in. But let's go ahead and give her a try and see what she sounds like. So I don't know if you can tell, but like that is 10 times louder than than having the baffle in. Like it just the sound resonates, man. Like it's awesome. So I think I'm gonna be running it without the baffle now. It sounds so much better, and I want to be heard when I'm riding. Just kind of felt like with the baffle in, cap with no cap, it was decently loud. But yeah, if you ever get a Amazon exhaust, run it without the baffle. It's worth it. So yeah, I'm excited. That's just a little comparison. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.